वेलकम अगेन. वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचे गोवन मँगो मानकुरादाची चीज केक, मँगो चीज केक. एंड फॉर दॅट वी नीड सम cream cheese, which is here, which is homemade cream cheese. Then I have some homemade paneer, that is cottage cheese, also paneer. And I have some biscuits. I have taken some oats and almonds, some butter, unsalted butter I have taken. And this is of 3 mangoes. So 1.5 mango over here in chunks, and 1.5 mango is juice, that is pulp, thick juice or thick pulp. So that's all what we need, and milk made. So let's start. First, crush these biscuits and put it in the container where we are going to make this. So I'm using this 4. So this is our base. And we'll keep this for setting. And we'll keep this for setting. Now in that same mixer I will add my paneer. So I am adding half of this, so 200 grams. And 200 of this. Some of this. A little bit of this thin juice. And now we will grind this. Add some milk maid. So here it is ready, and now we will take out from our fridge and we will add this. So first what I will do, I will add some chunks on this mango. Then I will add again some chunks of mango. And we leave this to set. Then we can add the other part. So now we will leave this to set. Cover it and leave this for set for few hours. Then we will top up the other things. Doing one small one also. So this I am adding some biscuits on top also. And we'll leave this in the fridge. Okay, and we will take out that other one and then we will present that. I'll leave it on the fridge for overnight. It has to go in overnight. Now we will add apple on this. Let's give a design. Cut this. Done and it's ready. So now let's keep this both in fridge for overnight, and I will show you the result tomorrow. Here is our ready. I have kept it overnight, and this one also is ready. One cut. And a mango cheesecake. Enjoy mango, Goan Mankurad mango cheesecake. No gelatin, no preservative, no agar-agar. Try this. Thank you.
And here it is, lovely and tasty Goan Mankurad mango cheesecake.